Polity, Prime Minister of India. Part 5, the PM plus COMS. Part 6, the Governor. Prime Minister, Article 74 to 78. PM. Assist them. He is the head of the council. COMS. Classification. Not nominated in the Constitution. The list of the Prime Minister: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Gulzarilal Nanda, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, VP Singh, Chandrasekhar, PV Narasimha Rao, RD Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. The full terms of the PM is 5 years, which coincides with normal life of Lok Sabha. However, if he or she loses the confidence of Lok Sabha, he or she must resign, or the president can dismiss him or her. PM of India is chairman of Niti Aayog, Interstate Council, NDC, not in existence now, National Disaster Management Authority. Article 74. Council of Ministers to aid and advise President. 1. There shall be a Council of Ministers with a PM as the head to aid and advise the President, who shall, in the exercise of his functions, act in accordance with the advice. Provident that the President may require the Council of Ministers to reconsider such advice, either generally or otherwise, and the President shall act in accordance with the advice tendered after such reconsideration. 44th CA. The PM, real head and de facto head of the government. The President, nominal head, de jure head, head of the country, elected head, titular head. Parliamentary, the UK, presidential, the USA. Deputy Minister, Minister of State, Cabinet, PM. Article 352. 3. Cabinet. 44 CA 1974. Not originally nominated in the Constitution. 2. The question whether any, and if so, what advice was tendered by the Minister to the President, not to be required into any court. Article 75. Other provision as the Ministers. 1. Appointing authority. PM appointed by President. COMS appointed by President on advice of the PM. Head of any party in majority in Lok Sabha. 2A 91st CA COMS plus PM strength shall not exist 50% total number of members of the House of the People, Lower House, Lok Sabha. 1B 91st CA if any member disqualifies on the ground of defection, they cannot become minister. 2. Ministers are individually responsible to the President, shall hold office during the pleasure of the President. COMS are collectively responsible to the House of the People, Lok Sabha. 4. Oath of ministers administered by the President. 5. A minister who for any period of 6 consecutive months is not a member of either House of the Parliament shall at the expiration of that period is to become a minister. PM can be a member of either House of the Parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Salaries and allowance dedicated by Parliament shall be as specified in the second schedule. In case of Union Territories of NCT of Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir, the maximum limit of COMS is 10% of total strength of its assembly. Different kind of ministers not specified in Constitution. Cabinet Minister, important portfolios, Defense Minister, Home Minister, Finance Minister, Education Minister, Health Minister. In Cabinet meeting only Cabinet Minister participate, Minister of State do not. Minister of State, looking after a small unimportant minister or a particular department. Deputy Minister, assist Cabinet Minister and Minister of State. Article 76. Attorney General of India, highest law officer of the country, lawyer of central government. First, the President shall appoint a person who is qualified to be Judge of Supreme Court to be Attorney General for India. Duty to give advice to Government of India upon such legal matters. AG shall have right of audience in all courts in territory of India. The AG shall hold office during the pleasure of President and shall receive such remuneration as the President may determine. First AG, Attorney General, MC Sital Bhatt, longest serving. Current AG R. Venkataramani. Current Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. Points to remember. He is not full-time counsel of a government. He is not debarred from the private legal practice. Solicitor General. They are secondary law officer who assist Attorney General. They are not a constitutional body. Advocate General. He is the highest law officer of the state. Article 165. Appointed by Governor. Shall be qualified to be appointed as Judge of HC. Duty. To give advice to state government upon such legal matters. Shall hold office during the pleasure of Governor. COMS. Resign, death or removed. Vacancy is created. PM. Death or resign. COMS is dissolved. Entire COMS has to resign. Another party leader become the PM. Example. Nehru died in 1964. Longest served PM 16 years 286 days. Gulzarilal Nanda became the PM senior most. 13 days later, Lal Bahadur Shastri became the PM. Death. Gulzarilal Nanda again PM for 13 days. Indira Gandhi next PM. No confidence motion raised against him. Atal Bihari Vajpayee has served as term of 13 days as PM. Leader, monitor, presiding officer, class teacher, Lok Sabha. Indira Gandhi. Rajya Sabha members only 3 till now. Indira Gandhi, H.G. Deva Gowda, Manmohan Singh. He became the PM of India without being a Union Cabinet Minister. Article 77. Conduct of Business of Government of India. 1. Executive action of GOI shall be expressed to be taken in the name of the President. 2. Orders and other instruments made and executed in the name of the President shall be authenticated in such manner as specified in rules to be made by the President. 3. The President shall make rules for the more convenient transactions of the business of GOI and for the allocation among ministers of said business. Article 78. Duties of PM. PM is the linchpin of government. Nehru. PM. President. COMS. President. Act as a linkage between two. PM. The PM communicates all decisions of COMS to the President, including those related to administration of Union and proposal for legislation. 78A. The communicate to the President all decisions of the COMS relating to the administration of the affairs of the Union and proposal for legislation. 78B. The furnish such information relating to the administration of the affairs of the Union and proposal for legislation as the President may call for. And Article 78C. If President is required to submit for the consideration of the COMS any matter on which a decision has been taken by a minister but which has not been considered by the Council of Ministers. The first Indian PM to resign from office, Morarji Desai. Collective responsibility can be achieved only through the instrumentality of the Prime Minister, said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Appointment of PM. The President has to appoint the leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha as the Prime Minister. Oath. Terms, salary of PMs. The President administers to him or her the oath of office and secrecy. The term of the Prime Minister is not fixed, and he or she holds office during the pleasure of the President. This does not mean that President can dismiss PM anytime. The salary and allowance of the Prime Minister are determined by the Parliament from time to time, similar to Lok Sabha member. Power and function of PM. He or she advises the President with regards to summoning and proroguing of the session of the Parliament. He or she can recommend dissolution of the Lok Sabha to President at any time. He or she announces government policies on the floor of the House. He or she recommends persons who can be appointed as minister by the President. He or she allocates the reshuffles various portfolios among the ministers. He or she can ask the minister to resign or advise the President to dismiss him or her in case of difference of opinion. He or she presides over the meeting of Council of Ministers and influences its decisions. He or she guides, directs, controls, and coordinates the activities of all the ministers. He or she can bring about the collapse of COMS by resigning from office. List of Prime Minister: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, P.V. Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar Gujral, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. Chaudhary Charan Singh served as PM for 170 days. Chandrasekhar 7 months, V.P. Singh 11th month, H.D. Deve Gowda 10th month.